Hey everyone, just in case you were a little confused or overwhelmed about this sheet for the influential factors related to crime, what you're looking at here is a chart, and in the factors related to crime column, you're going to see various factors: poverty, mental illness, low education level. And in the next column, how influential. And the only thing you're doing here is looking at how influential you believe that is to crime. So for poverty, example, do you really think that's relative to crime or not? And you can do a scale of 1 to 10. You can rate it to whether you believe it has a relationship or not, or no relationship. It's just a rating in that column. And then the last column for the nature of influence, those are circumstances and conditions. So if you believe it has an influential circumstance, relationship, or however that rating is in the middle column, you need to explain it in that very last column. So this is where you're detailing that middle column. So for instance, if you think it has a significant impact in that middle column, you need to explain it in terms of maybe if you think it has a great significant relationship. Maybe it affects the influence in terms of their living conditions, with the types of crimes they may commit, if they can provide for themselves, maybe in terms of their education, disabilities, things of that nature. And then you're going to go down for each factor and complete each column in that nature. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please email me about the assignment. Don't complete it thinking you're getting by. Just make sure you understand it, and then email me with any questions.